Hey YouTube, this is DIY with Donna, and today we're going to go over how to tile your fireplace with stack stone, similar to this. So this is the fireplace we're going to work on. So some of the items that you're going to need is, of course, the tile, a tile cutter, a bucket, water. Also, you'll probably need a trowel, a drill, a paddle mixer, and a drop cloth. So the first step is to prepare your tile, your stacked stone tile. I'm measuring the fireplace to see how I need to get the tile cut. I marked the tile with a dark line so we can see where the cut needs to be made. Will is using the tile cutter to cut the tile. It is very important to ensure that you cut all your pieces out and make sure they fit. I would recommend that you lay your pieces out in the manner in which you are going to actually post them or place them on your fireplace. So next you want to prepare your surface area. Our surface was a slate material and so it was kind of smooth, and we needed to make it a little bit rough. So what we decided to do was take some of the mortar, the cement, and place it on the slate and leave it overnight to make it a little bit uneven and rough so the tile could adhere to it a little bit better. So we left the cement to dry overnight, and now the surface is uneven and rough like we wanted. The next, you want to prepare the cement mixture, the mortar. And our tile is kind of heavy, and there's different types of mortar. Ours is a large tile mortar, so it holds for heavier tile. So you want to measure the appropriate amount. Our surface that we're doing is a small amount, so we didn't need to use the 50-pound bag that we had. So our water to mixture ratio was 4 cups of water, and then we used 10 cups of mixture. After you combine the water and the mortar mixture together, you use your drill and your paddle mixer to stir the ingredients together. So now that you have all of your tile is cut and your surface is in the right condition, it's rough enough to place tile on, and you've created your mixture, and now it's time to put your tile up. The method that we use is called buttering the tile, where we put the mortar mixture right on the tile and then set it up on the fireplace. So here I'm demonstrating how to butter the tile. And I'm just putting the mortar directly on the tile as opposed to the fireplace and then sticking up the tile. So just like the layout of the tile that I had on the floor, I'm going to start from the bottom, placing the tile on the bottom, and then that tile will be able to support the one that goes on top of it. So since you have all your pieces cut, the process is relatively fast. Basically, you butter and then you place the tile on the fireplace and just push it in to make sure it sticks and it's in the right position. So the pieces that we cut to go in the column format, the up and down format, were relatively easy. It worked well. The pieces below them supported and held them in place. The challenge was the across piece because really there's nothing underneath it. So it wasn't as easy as the column pieces. So as you can see, the cross piece is slipping because there's really no tile underneath it to help support it. So we utilized tape to hold it in the position that we wanted.
There's a big gap at the top, maybe you just fill it in with caulk, you know.
We also utilized some empty water bottles to help hold up the tile that was in the center and left it overnight. There also was a sliver of space up at the top of the tile, so we elected to use some caulk to fill in the space up at the top. So overall, I'm very pleased with how it came out, and I appreciate you watching. This is DIY with Donna. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.